Welcome to TAC Tips. This series showcases different tips and tricks to help improve your Chromebook experience, presented by the Technology Assistance Center interns. Today's TAC tip is only for seniors. Today, I will be showing you how to save all of your Google projects to a personal account so you do not lose them after graduation. As a senior, your LTHS email will deactivate on August 1st, so you must have this done before then. First, go to google.com/takeout. From here, make sure you're logged in with your LTHS email. As you can see in the top right corner, I see my profile picture, so I know it's me. Then, you're going to want to scroll down and select everything that you want to export. I'm going to select absolutely everything so that I don't forget anything. Then, click Next Step. Once this dropdown appears, I'm going to leave it as is, but you can change it to add to a drive, add to a Dropbox, add to a OneDrive. If you're not sure, I would just send download link via email. Make sure the frequency just says export once, and then make sure the file type is a zip file. Then click Create Export. Since this is compiling everything from all your years at LTHS, it may take a while. You will get an email once it's done, so you don't have to wait at this screen. Once it's done, you will be able to download the zip file to either a personal laptop or an external hard drive. Thanks for watching, have a good summer, and keep your eyes out for more TAC tips from your TAC crew.